Want to become a React.js developer in 2026? This video gives you the complete step-by-step roadmap from beginner to advanced. Before jumping into React, you must learn the fundamentals of web development, HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for logic. Next, master JavaScript deeply. Focus on concepts like variables, functions, arrays, objects, and ES6 features like arrow functions and destructuring. Understand asynchronous JavaScript. Learn promises, async and await, and how APIs work. Now you're ready to start React. Learn what React is and why it's used to build modern user interfaces. Start with components. Learn functional components, JSX syntax, and how to structure your UI into reusable parts. Next, understand props and state. These are the core building blocks for managing data in React applications. Learn React hooks like useState, useEffect, and useRef. Hooks make your code cleaner and more powerful. Routing is essential. Learn how to navigate between pages using React Router. State management is the next step. Explore Context API and tools like Redux for managing global state. Work with APIs. Learn how to fetch data from servers and display it dynamically in your React apps. Styling your app is important. Use CSS modules, styled components, or frameworks like Tailwind CSS. Now build projects. Start with small apps like a to-do list, then move to bigger projects like dashboards or e-commerce apps. Learn performance optimization techniques like memoization, lazy loading, and code splitting. Testing is crucial. Learn tools like Jest and React Testing Library to ensure your apps work correctly. Finally, learn deployment. Host your apps using platforms like Netlify, Vercel, or GitHub Pages. Keep learning advanced topics like Next.js, TypeScript, and server-side rendering to level up your skills. Follow this roadmap consistently, build projects, and you'll become a professional React developer. Subscribe for more coding guides.